Let me start new example now. This is the fifth example I'm doing. Find the customer who not place any order, not placed order in order table. That is my requirement. We have two types of tables. One is the customer table, one is the order table. The customer which are not placed any order, I want that particular data. So that is my requirement in Pyspark. Data, first of all, data I'm marking up now. Data equal to 1 comma Abhiram equal to customer ID integer because in this shell, in today's my cluster, I have already imported the Pyspark libraries. That's why I'm not imported. Directly I took the data, directly I took the schema, directly created the different customers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 customers I took. Now I want to take orders table. Data is equal to order ID and customer ID. Can we take one is order ID, second one is maybe rice, maybe biryani. We can take customer ID 4. So maybe can take two values. Schema I can take. First one is order ID, right? Integer and item name string. Next customer ID integer. This is the schema I took. Df dot order is equal to spark dot create data frame. Data is equal to data. Schema is equal to schema. Maybe I can change the maybe data one and schema. So this is the order ID. This is done. What are the customers they ordered? For customer ID 4, customer ID 2. Two customers ordered. What are the customers not ordered? 3 and 1. 1 and 3. The customer 1 and customer 3. They both are not ordered. So we want the data, the customers which are not ordered. So that purpose we want to know, we want to perform the joins between these two. We have like a 4 types of joins are there. Left order join, right order join, inner join, full order join. Okay. Left order join means the full inner join means the common data between the table A, table B will come. Means the what is the common data? 1, 4, 4 and 2. This is the customers. Common data will come. Left order join means the common data plus unmatched data from the table A. Right order join means the common data from table A, table B plus unmatched data from table B. Full order join means the common data plus unmatched data from table A plus unmatched data from table B. That is the four types of join. Have a look when SQL class is going on. We can let you know all the details about the joins. Okay. Now let me df underscore customer. This is the one data frame joining with other data frame. Joining with other data frame. What is the main column we are going to come? Customer ID in the data frame with the customer ID in the orders table. So let me, I don't want to filter the function now. I don't want to do. Let me df dot show method. Let me stop. This is, let me comment here. This is, I don't want to show. Let me comment this. Let me, so see the customer ID one, Abhiram, order ID is null because he not placed any order. So that's what showing. Raju placed ice cream is the order. Anusha not placed any order. Bindu placed biryani is order. So this is what is happening like left order chain. The common data plus unmatched data from the customer table. Unmatched data means Abhiram and Anusha is unmatched. Means we want the customers who are not placed the order. So at that time, filter df underscore order that see here null value set. This is what I am doing. This is the customer ID. Customer ID where and all the null. Customer ID dot is null. We can, this is the filter condition. See, I want the only Abhiram, I want the only Anusha because these two people are not placed any order. How can I filtering where and all customer ID is null? Because this customer ID is not available in the orders table. That's why it's showing like this customer ID in the orders table, this customer ID in the customers table. So this one is not available here. So that only not showing null. So that only I'm filtering. Where and all the nulls are there, I want only the data. Means not placed any order. Yeah. These two people are not placed any order. So such a way we can get the data by joining the two data frames. Got it or not? Any doubts so far? Little bit confusing. Any doubts? Please ask me. Otherwise, I can go another question. Okay? Any doubts? Okay, I can go another question.